Today, I want to talk to you about the difference between an IT company and an MSP. MSP stands for Managed Services Provider. The two big differences kind of between the two, in my opinion. IT companies are more reactive. You call them or you reach out to them whenever you have an issue. Where MSPs they're more proactive. They're utilizing a special set of tools to monitor your environment, your equipment, everything else, to try to prevent small issues turning into big issues. A couple of easy examples. Utilization of your computers and laptops. We use our monitoring software and tools to monitor all of our clients' environments and devices and systems. One of those that we come across very frequently is your computer's hard drive getting filled up. This is a big one. We see it very frequently. People are saving all sorts of different things to their computers, and once they get full, it cannot work. It just crashes. It stops working. An easy example would be, like John in marketing department. He's working in big, marketing files. They're filling up his drive. All of a sudden, his hard drive is full. Computer crashes. That's it. He cannot no longer work. You have a couple of options. You can buy a new system, which could take a couple of days, maybe longer, maybe a little faster, depending, where you're buying it from. Plus, getting it prepped for the user, configuring, installing all the software, all the settings, things like that. Potentially, you might have an old computer from 1997 somewhere in your closet that you can give it to John. Unfortunately, that's probably going to cause more issues because that system is slow, it's old, some of the newer applications are not going to work on it, right? Again, you're dealing with downtime versus, hey, we're proactive, we meet with you regularly, or you get an alert saying John's computer is almost full capacity on the storage device. We should look at replacing his computer or laptop in the next couple of days or next couple of weeks, depending on his utilization rate. And being proactive, this way will minimize the amount of downtime John is down, not serving your company, your clients as well. Another big one is like temperature. We're monitoring temperatures. We want to make sure, because that's one of the biggest killers of electronics is temperature. Second one is electricity. We want to make sure none of the components are overheating. Very common in laptops. That's like the biggest issue with laptops. People use laptops they lay them under like a blanket or their clothes. Unfortunately, that creates more heat for the laptop, and sometimes you're blocking those ventilation exhaust holes and the heat cannot escape. So your processor, your memory, your storage, your graphic card within that laptop, it's overheating, and the quicker it overheats and the longer it stays overheated, the quicker it dies. And so we're able to monitor for those things and say, hey, this laptop's been running really hot, so we either need to figure out why is it running hot, right? Can we bring down the temperature? Or if not, well, this thing's not going to last long, right? And if this is your laptop, Mr. CEO or Mrs. CEO, and if you're going to be on some business trip and this laptop dies, you're going to be in a world of trouble. So again, let's be proactive. Monitoring helps solving those issues, just like a lot of people you see where Apple Watches, Fitbits, all sorts of different things that tracks their health. It then alerts you to something. All of a sudden your heart rate goes to 400. That's an issue. We use a similar technology to monitor your devices, your computers, emails, infrastructure, all of that stuff for potentially hazardous bad things that are about to happen that we can try to prevent them from occurring. So this is the big difference. MSP proactive, IT reactive. Obviously, the winner here is the MSP. You want to make sure that all of your equipment systems environment is being monitored, maintained, and proactively looked at to minimize or eliminate any small issues that potentially is going to turn into something big that's going to cost you thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars in downtime or employee productivity or other client losses. I'm Igor Pinchevsky, CEO and founder of ITfirm.com. If your business needs an MSP, a cybersecurity company, technology experts, please reach out to us. My contact information is below. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and like, and we'll see you in the next video.